Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video, we'll show you the basics of CloudPay and how to add a CloudPay user. To access CloudPay, click the Settlement module from the CloudPM main menu. For security, CloudPay requires its own login, which is separate from your CloudPM login. This looks familiar. CloudPay is arranged in much the same way as CloudPM, with the various functions on the left and your home screen on the right. Notice you have access to all the same help tools in CloudPay that you're accustomed to in CloudPM. Now let's take a look at the functions unique to CloudPay. If you'll be settling an existing batch, Settle is available both on the home screen and under Actions. Here, the home screen is notifying us that there's a batch ready to be transmitted to the processor. Other messages might alert you to a problem requiring attention before the batch is processed, such as transactions with insufficient authorization, or that have been placed on hold status. Under the Actions menu, we can also manually create a new batch, or change your password. Under the Find header, we can search for both settled and unsettled batches, as well as search for specific transactions. Notice that batch and transaction each have a full set of customizable search criteria. These tools are really helpful when you're researching a credit card problem. The View header has three options. Home, of course, returns us to the home screen. In the security screen, we can add new CloudPay users and grant or deny access to various credit card functions. Let's take a closer look. By clicking the New button on the ribbon bar, I get a new blank line to enter a username and several checkboxes indicating whether this person will have access to a given function. Security lets a user access this screen to add or change other CloudPay users. Trans Status lets us view the status of any given transaction. Checking this box lets a user run reports. This allows a user to search for batches and transactions. We can't settle a batch without checking this box. Display Card lets us view the guest's full unencrypted credit card number. And finally, the Inactive box will block access to CloudPay. Click Save and the user is now added. Last in the View header is the Reports window, where you can run a variety of reports, each with its own set of customizable settings. Thank you for taking the time to view this video. Please feel free to contact your account manager or our customer support center for additional questions.